Hey guys, want to know how to download DaVinci Resolve 19 on your PC? Within this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open up your favorite browser and type in blackmagicdesign.com. Now once you're there, you should be on the official website of Blackmagic Design. Now head towards support. Once you've clicked on it, scroll down until you see latest download. Now you need to search for DaVinci Resolve Studio 19. Scroll down until you find it. So here you can see DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4. You can download this, or you can also download the older versions. It's like this. Now I'll just select one of these and then just download according to your OS. For me, I have Windows, so I'll just go for Windows times 86. Now you need to register your details and then install. And that's it, super simple as that. I'll just show you a quick tutorial on it. And once you've filled up all the forms, just simply select register and download. Your downloads will automatically start, and here you go. This is the DaVinci Resolve zip file. Now once the zip file is downloaded, just simply extract it. Your DaVinci Resolve 19 should be ready to use. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.